decision.
Okay, the decision is they had raised questions. The others, the Raub Mining had raised questions that they had put forward a new test, right? And that we cannot introduce the question of the role of NGOs, to when you take into account whether a matter is defamatory or not. The court has rejected that completely, right? They said you take into account circumstances and context in which the problem arose, right? So you are entitled to take into account the fact that now society is more liberal, right? That the society is now accountable. So looking at that in the context, looking at the statement that was made by Hugh, they said it is proper that you consider those factors, and that this is an established test, there's nothing new, and that there is no basis to suggest that the people who make statements dealing with public interest issues are not entitled to do that. They're entitled to do that, right? So you can take into account the fact that this will affect a large section of the population. They've done a survey. They repeated the results of the survey. They're entitled to do that. And you cannot say that that is defamatory, all right? In my own view, I think this judgment is very much to be welcomed because, otherwise freedom of speech will be limited. Big corporations can always, restrict the right of ordinary citizens to voice their concerns on issues that affect themselves as well as the larger community. And so this is a very important and critical decision, because the Court of Appeal, they have upheld the Court of Appeal decision which said that that this in fact is something that should be applauded, the fact that NGOs take into account or express views that relate to the wider interests of society. So I think this is a new fresh breeze that now is being accepted by our courts as well.